So now my stay in Auckland is done for now. I'm coming back before I'm leaving, so it'll be more Auckland then. So hello again. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt and sunglasses, so that has to mean something. That I'm not in Auckland anymore. Sorry Auckland, but you didn't show your best side there. So now I'm in Taupo, which is in the heart of the North Island. And yeah, kind of forest. There's the river, and I just have to show you guys because I'm kind of now on a little exploring trip. So I just went through there and came from up there. Look at that water. It makes you really want to just jump out and swim. So do you guys hear that? That's the waterfall. I'm so excited to see this. It's like the most famous waterfall in New Zealand, and also quite famous outside New Zealand, I think. So let's check this out, if it's worth the 5-kilometer walk. So Taupo is a really cool place actually. It has a cool nature park, the volcano that you can walk, and that's of course the waterfall, and a big geothermal park where it's actual geysers and hot spots and hot pools and that kind of stuff. And of course the Great Lake Taupo, where you can do every water sport that you think of. Well, not all, but a lot of them. So it's a great place actually, and the town isn't bad either. I haven't been down there so much yet. I just walked through it, but it looks pretty cool. So maybe I'll check that out tonight. So right now I'm kind of sad that I decided only to stay one night here, because I'm leaving again tomorrow morning. So I didn't have the time to see that much, but yeah, definitely a place that I will visit again sometime, hopefully. Hello and good morning from Taupo. So today I'm gonna take the intercity bus again down to Wellington, which is the capital of New Zealand. I've heard that it's a pretty nice city. So the bus ride will take about 6 hours, which is pretty much the whole day. Yeah, the weather isn't that good, so okay, bus ride today isn't the worst thing. But yeah, Taupo has been really nice. So sad that I can't explore more here, because it's so much to see and so much to explore and do, and yeah, cool people, and the hostel was nice. If you're ever visiting Taupo, or the rest of New Zealand actually, Haka Lodge is a good hostel series, which makes really cool hostels. So check them out if you're ever in New Zealand.